Hello viewers, in the field of academics, every researcher is supposed to write and publish research papers. But where to publish the research papers? This is the question most of the time researchers ask me, that I have one research paper, where can I submit it? So I would like to today suggest you to use the journal suggesters. You can go to google.com and suggest and search the journal suggester. Okay, and it will give you different options such as journal suggester of Springer, journal suggester by Elsevier, journal suggester by Wiley. So what you can do, you can go to these pages and you can give your title, you can give your manuscript, and you can tell your subject area. It will tell you the best journal for your article. Similarly, in Elsevier you have to give the same information. Similarly, in Wiley you have to give the same information. Wiley has introduced new journal finder beta version, so you can click on it and you can find the required journal for your article. I have one article with me. Let's say this is my article over here, and I have author information, the main manuscript, and I would like just want to show you that as we are looking for the best journal for our article, so I will use my information to find the best article. I will copy the title, okay, put it here in the Springer journal suggester. Similarly, I can put it in the Elsevier journal suggester. This will be my title. Similarly, I can put it in the Wiley journal suggester. The second thing is about the abstract. I have to copy the abstract and put it here. As you can see, this is the abstract. I copy the abstract. I will submit it here. Similarly, in Elsevier, I will submit it here. Similarly, in Wiley, I will also submit it here. Okay. The next thing is the Springer also asks for the subject area. So my subject area is business management. Okay, I will click on suggest journals. Over here my keywords, Elsevier is asking for the keywords, so I have the keywords of my research paper, so I will add the keywords over here. And similarly, if we go to the Wiley, that's it we are required. So we need to find the required the research papers. And similarly, Elsevier is suggesting us, as we can see, we have to select our area. My area of research and area of this paper is actually the business management and accounting, so I will request for find the journals. On Springer, it is suggesting me different journals. Let's say the information system, Frontier, it is showing the impact factor, first decision, and then acceptance rate. Similarly, in electronic research is just giving the same information. Services business, journal of brand management, journal of flexible systems management, I have research paper in it. It is Scopus Q1. You can select the best journal for you. Maybe if your article is weak, you can look into the acceptance rate. Maybe you can if you want to publish it early, then you can see the first decision schedule of every journal. So this is the best journal suggester, giving you the best information. Going towards the Elsevier, and it is showing me these journals: technology in society, citation score is there, impact factor is there, acceptance rate is there, time to first decision is there, time to publication is there. So similarly, in future, in different journals, as you can see, it is giving me. Similarly, Wiley is also suggesting me different journals. So today I wanted to share this with you. I'm sure after watching this video, you will never ask anyone that where should I publish my journal. If you are new here on my YouTube channel Muhammad Farooq Buzdar, I request you to share it with your maximum friends. We have summaries of 2,200 books. I will keep adding the books, and inshallah very soon we will have up to 2,000 book summaries. And then we have research courses, more than 200 videos on research courses, proposal writing, topic selection, literature review, or plagiarism removal, and related to methodology. There are different courses, and even you can see the reference management software. You can see an English course, Write Better, Speak Better. So if you like the video, please share it with others. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching.